Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Bloom dating application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your device, and once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Bloom and start your search. Once you find the Bloom Meet Singles application, go ahead and tap on it, and you will now see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Bloom dating application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button, which you can tap on in order to open up the app. And once the application is opened up, you can proceed forward with signing up and creating a new account or log into your existing one in order to start using the Bloom dating app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Bloom dating application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.